This shed lasted beyond 20 years. It served her well. But it's time for a new one. First, the old shed comes down. Then the groundwork begins. Hewitt and Daly Landscapes need a fresh slab base. A proper foundation for a shed built to last. Because how long a shed stands starts with what it stands on. Some of the sheds make hundreds of these, every joint, every brace, every detail, done in the same way. That's how Leanne's last shed lasted 20 years, and that's how this one will too. Every shed we build is made to order. Leanne told us what she needed, we built it exactly like that. That's not standard, that's simply sheds. Simply the Sheds Scotland, 30 years building sheds across Scotland. Everyone custom, everywhere built to last. If you're thinking about a new shed, we'd love to build yours.